Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice water for hair growth. First, choose your preferred method, soaking or boiling. Both are effective, but the soaking method is quicker and simpler for beginners. We'll cover the basic preparation, ensuring you get the most out of this natural treatment. Get ready to transform your hair care routine with this ancient beauty secret. For the soaking method, begin by rinsing about 1/2 cup of rice to remove impurities. Next, place the clean rice into a bowl and add 2 cups of fresh water. Allow this mixture to sit for approximately 30 minutes to 1 hour. This short soaking time extracts beneficial nutrients. Finally, strain the liquid into a clean bottle and your rice water is ready to use. For a more potent option, consider fermented rice water. Start by boiling 1/2 cup of rice with 2 cups of water, then strain the liquid. Allow this rice water to ferment at room temperature for 24 to 48 hours. The fermentation process boosts its vitamin and antioxidant content. Remember to dilute it with 1 to 2 parts plain water before applying to your hair. To use rice water, apply it to your hair after shampooing, ensuring your hair is clean and damp. Gently massage the rice water into your scalp and along the length of your hair for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the nutrients to penetrate effectively. Afterward, rinse your hair thoroughly with cool water. For optimal results, incorporate this treatment into your routine 1 to 2 times per week.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.